This is day one of building this company, which is neonatal, into $1 billion valuation. I'm just gonna place my phone in here. Give a fuck. I'm just gonna put it right here. So I can just eating and talking at the same time. It's not bothering. Okay. Let's talk about what's going on during like day one for this website. So I actually bought the domain like one day ago, for $12. For now in my bank account I got like $40, So probably I'm not gonna run ads with all of the money I got in a bank account. Mostly I'm gonna spend on buying Instagram account and TikTok account or Gmail account, and I'm gonna start this whole empire by myself with no money, nothing, just using online tools, online free tools, and no money at all. VPN of course, but no money, because I think I want to prove that you can start like a whole $1 billion company on your own from scratch, with no money, no knowledge, nothing, no skill. So I would say it's gonna be a long journey. Day one, all I did is setting up like payment and shipping. I had some like issue with payment because in my country right now it's only accept like 5 different gateway. It's kind of different from United States, because in United States they allow 200 or 300 different gateway. It's like easy game in there. You don't have to worry about anything in there. Just put your card in and everything works. But that's fine. The harder the game, the more fun it is. So it doesn't matter. It's not gonna stop me. So my plan right now. So today I just like signed up for Shopify, and 3 days later it's gonna charge me like $1 from what I heard is it's gonna charge you for 3 months, and each month is gonna be like $1. But right now I think it's not gonna be that much. It's $1. It's $1 for like 3 months in a row. It's not that much. And so after I signed up for Shopify and I setting up like payment and stuff, I'm gonna go on and design my website. Well, the website itself, it's gonna be pretty, I don't know, I'm just gonna copy my competitor, because right now I'm following like a teacher, like an online teacher on this, like on these like drop shipping and branding stuff. He taught me that I need to look at my competitor and look at what I'm doing, and then just copy exactly what they're doing. So I don't need to worry about too much. All I need is look at my competitor, look at what they're doing, and copy exactly the same. It's kind of easy. It's gonna be an easy journey. My goal right now is first order. First order for nemzen.com. First money in the bank. I'm gonna use that money to setting up for like some website, and then after that I'm gonna buy some more like TikTok account, find out some niche, and go on. Pretty amazing journey, eh? Let's think about payment. You know, payment is just like the first step. On day one, you pretty much like have nothing to talk about at this point. You know, after like setting payment, I'm gonna move on to like marketing part, like organic marketing. And I'm gonna record like the whole journey from like day one until the end, like how this brand actually gonna go. Pretty interesting. You know, one of the biggest secret for me to drive all of the traffic into the store is using like people video. It's not like stealing video from people. It's more like remixing, and think about how can you make this video even better. You know, you can add some text, you can add some music, or even you can put like some crazy edit with elements and stuff. I actually, before this project, I work on YouTube and TikTok automation. TikTok automation, it works pretty well. Like everything go like extremely fast. I create like 50 accounts. Like I keep creating content, and you know, out of like 4 out of 50 account, I got like 3 or 4 viral, which is amazing. You know, I got like 20 million views per day. But like even that day, I actually put some link on like Amazon part, but it doesn't have any order. You know, even it has like 100 clicks on the link, but it doesn't have any order, which is kind of interesting, right? Yeah. So many people click on the ads. No, so many people click on the video. So many watch it, but no conversion at all, which is weird. So so after that, like I move on to YouTube. I thought it's gonna be easy, you know. I actually could create content with YouTube, but it's not that fucking easy. I create like fucking 70 accounts, or 2 of them, 2 out of 70 actually work very well. It got like 50,000 views per month, which is great. But now I move on to a website. I want to build this brand. You know, my goal is building this brand into $1 billion valuation. And this is fucking day one. I actually like struggle a little bit with the payment. That's fine. It doesn't matter. Fucking payment. Who gives a fuck? Who gives a shit? If tomorrow I work on the payment and it still doesn't work, I just gonna, you know, I just gonna fuck it. Go for PayPal. You know, just gonna go back to PayPal and think of it as a new solution. Well, after the payment, if it works very well, I'm gonna create like, well, first of all, I'm just gonna bought like 100 different Instagram accounts and create like 500 different content a day, driving link to the store, and this is my fucking day one. Who gives a fuck? You know? It's day one, you have some struggle, you keep it to yourself, and you work on it. It's still gonna work out. It doesn't have any problem, right? Easy. You don't have to worry about it. Pretty much. So I know you are one of the person out there getting brands, you know, creating content. Some people hustle a lot. I understand it, completely understand it. All I gotta say is never give up, man. Never give up. Just do it. Just keep moving. I'm just gonna keep moving, man. This is fucking day one and I already think of it. What the fuck? Fucking interesting. Interesting. You know, there's some bad news for TikTok. It said TikTok will be banned like for around like 6 months if it doesn't like sell to like some random company in the US. Well, if you're an optimistic person, it could be an opportunity, but it could be not. You know, it's not. When TikTok like leave the US, a lot of creators gonna move to Instagram and move to YouTube. It's gonna be more competition. However, the market is gonna be more fun because more users are gonna come, and we're gonna have more opportunity anyway. That's how the game works. Interesting. At this point, I'm just gonna record this. You know, I'm just gonna record this one time. I'm not gonna cut it. I'm just gonna keep it raw. It's called uncut scene, like behind the scene or something like that, without even cutting. You know, it has some issue, you know. Well, the website itself, I think it's not gonna be a big trouble, but I just a little bit like worry about the payment gateway, because it's more like a ticket to the store. But my plan B is, you know, I'm just gonna register a store in the UK. It's like $200 a year, which is easier than the US. US right now is like $800. That's crazy. That's crazy for a startup company with no money or something like that. So I think UK is a much better choice. If I sign up for UK, my Stripe card, my Stripe payment is gonna work, and you know, I can definitely like check out for the customer. Yeah, amazing. Interesting. It's day one. It's fucking day one. I think everything is going well. You know, fucking 500 content a day. Conversion gonna come. This all depends on how well you control the traffic, the reach, the clicks, everything. I'm actually like studying like this guy. His name is like Jordan Bow, something like that. a great guy, smart, extremely successful in drop shipping area. He knows what he's doing. Just gonna end this video right here. So this is day one. This is day one of the whole empire. I bought the domain from GoDaddy, $12 online. I'm using Shopify to setting up the store, payment, website, checkout, everything. Domain. Already connected. Tomorrow plan. Probably I'm gonna try like some new gateway, you know. It's probably gonna work. Because yeah, if you're from India or some country like that and you signed up, definitely it's gonna have a lot of gateway for you. That's fine, bro. That's fine. Work on it. It's gonna be great. You just have to be like looking for tomorrow. Looking for a new solution. The plan's still gonna be like 500 content a day to push people from social media to website. 100 people go to website, probably gonna purchase the product, obviously. That's the plan, you know? I'm just gonna end the video right here.